This is a piece of pizza. It is composed of carbs, fats, and proteins. The pizza enters the mouth. The oral cavity contains the tongue, the salivary glands, and the teeth. The mouth is the first step of mechanical digestion. Mastication is the mechanical breakdown of food. Mastication is produced by the teeth. After the teeth break down the pizza mechanically, chemical digestion begins in the salivary glands. The salivary glands produce amylase, which breaks down the starches in the pizza, turning it into sugar. After digestion begins in the mouth, the food formed into a bolus is forced into the pharynx by the tongue. After the bolus enters the pharynx, the epiglottis covers the airway so the food does not enter the lungs. The bolus continues down the esophagus, past the larynx covered by the epiglottis, into the stomach. The stomach, right here, begins more chemical digestion with acid and enzymes. The food is mixed with digestive juices to form chyme. The chyme is then emptied into the small intestines. The chyme from the stomach is inserted into the duodenum of the small intestine. Here it is combined with the enzymes from the pancreas and the bile from the liver stored in the gallbladder, all right here. Bile from the liver breaks down the fats in the food. This case, the pizza has a lot of fat. The pancreas neutralizes the stomach acid with bases. The small intestines. The villi of the small intestines increase surface area, which absorbs the nutrients from the food. From the small intestine, the chyme enters the large intestine. The function of the large intestine is to absorb water from the food. After the food exits the large intestine, after the water has been absorbed, it enters into the rectum where it is stored until defecation occurs. Defecation is the elimination of waste from the body in the form of feces. There you have it. We traveled all the way from the oral cavity, down the esophagus, into the stomach, through the small intestines, into the large intestines, and then finally out the rectum and the anus. There you have it. There's the pizza.